your boss just asked you to boil the ocean on this new project. Wait, what does that actually mean? And why should you never do it if you want to be productive and successful? If you watch this till the end, you'll master this phrase and avoid a huge professional pitfall. To boil the ocean means attempting a task that's impossibly vast, requires too many resources, or is simply not feasible. It's about taking on something so huge it's guaranteed to fail, or produce minimal results from maximum wasted effort. This phrase is incredibly common in business, project management, and strategy discussions, always highlighting an unrealistic or overwhelming goal. While its exact origin isn't pinned down to one moment, the metaphor itself is crystal clear. Trying to heat an entire ocean is physically impossible. It's a vivid, almost humorous way to describe a task that's laughably beyond reach, emphasizing the futility of such an endeavor. Let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine a marketing team trying to create a personalized ad campaign for every single person on Earth individually. Someone might wisely say, that's like trying to boil the ocean. Let's focus on our target demographic first. Or consider a startup trying to launch a product that solves every single problem for every single customer simultaneously. Their advisor would likely warn, don't boil the ocean. Start with one core problem and solve it brilliantly. Even in personal projects, like trying to learn 5 new languages and master 3 musical instruments all in 1 year, you might be boiling the ocean. A common mistake for learners is not recognizing when they are being asked to boil the ocean. Look for projects with undefined scopes, endless requirements, or goals that are too broad. To avoid this pitfall, break down massive goals into smaller, manageable chunks. Prioritize impact over sheer volume, and always define clear, achievable objectives. Don't be afraid to push back politely when asked to do the impossible. Explain why a task might be boiling the ocean, and propose a more focused approach. So, remember, boil the ocean means attempting an impossibly huge or impractical task, a sure path to wasted effort. Focus on achievable, impactful goals instead. Do these are comfortable? If you want to sound like a native speaker, mastering expressions like this is key. Hit subscribe to Native Lingo for more insights into how Americans really talk.